Okay, guys, I want you to tell me if you're able to see the exponent of each multiple. Does it look right? Okay, thumbs up means yes. Okay. Is that the picture? As you can see, it doesn't look very defined. No, it doesn't look like that. In my opinion, I mean, I have better quality pictures, but this one doesn't look good when I paste it here in the whiteboard. But anyway, we're gonna work with this. Okay, so with the prefixes, remember that what I told you yesterday. Each prefix is going to be represented by a letter. Okay. For example, the prefix giga is represented by the letter G. And since it is a big prefix, it's big prefix because it has a positive exponent. It means that it represents huge numbers. Wait a second. Okay, we need to convert 60 You know what mph means?
Miles per hour.
Miles per hour. Okay, yes, these are miles per hour, and miles per hour are written like a fraction. Well, miles is the numerator, per is the slash symbol, and then hour, like that. That's the proper way to write miles per hour. But you're gonna find in a lot of books or cars or velocity devices, this going to measure your velocity in mph, which are miles per hour. So the instruction says convert 60 miles per hour to meters per second. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is express mph in proper units. Okay, so instead of mph, you need to replace it by the right symbols, the right units: miles up, hours down, like that. If you want to do conversion, they must be written like fractions. Okay, now from 60 miles per hour, you need to convert to meters over second. That means that in the end, you're going to convert from miles to meters and from hours to seconds. Those are the two conversions that you have to do. Okay? So, your plan must be from mile to meters. For this one, you have a conversion factor. And what conversion factor do we have that involves these two?
1,609 miles equals 1 meter. Sorry, backwards.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
1 mile, not meter, equals to 1,609 meters. A mile is a really big unit, okay? A mile is bigger than a kilometer, and a mile Of course, it's going to be bigger or greater than meter. 1,609. Okay, the other plan is from hours to seconds. Okay, so what do we need? What is the conversion factor that we have between hours and seconds?
360 seconds in 1 hour.
In 1 hour, you have 3,000, not 100, 3,600 seconds. Very good. Okay, so that's your plan. That's your plan. Converting from miles to meters and from hours to seconds. So let's begin. We always begin with a given. So 60 miles over hour. If I need to convert from wait, esta cosa presiona algunas teclas. I'm sorry. Okay, so if we need to convert, what is the first conversion factor that we have to use? It doesn't really matter, okay? But it must be located in the right way. So imagine that I want to get rid of hours. In what place I need to write hours? If I want to get rid of hours, in what place I need to write hours? Up or down?
Up.
Down.
Up.
Down, up, down, up. What's that?
Up because H is down, so it's gonna have to
H
be
is down, so
up.
H must be in the bottom too. Okay? So here I will locate my new H. And I say, okay, the number next to H is 1. So I'm going to write 1 hour. 1 hour that contains 3,600 seconds. With this, I get rid of hours. But I still need to convert because this just gives me miles and seconds. And I need my answer to be meters per second. So now, where do I need to write the miles? Up or down? Up or down?
Down.
Down, because miles are up, so I need my miles to be down. So I say miles. What number is next to miles?
1,609.
What number is next to mile?
1.
1 mile.
The number that is next to mile is just 1, okay? So that's the number that you write in here, 1 mile. And in the other part, you're going to write the rest of the conversion factor, that is 1,609 meters. With this, you get rid of miles with miles. So, notice that the final units are going to be meters up and seconds down. Okay, that's exactly what I want. Meters up, seconds down. In your calculator, as I told you already many times, everything in the top multiplies. So your calculator is going to be 60 times 1 times 1,609. And below I will divide by all this, which is divided by 3,600 divided by 1.
26.81.
Wait. I hate this calculator. Efraim, tell me.
Miss, will the answer change if we convert first miles to meters and then hours to seconds, or it
No,
will be the same?
it will be the same. But the units need to be located properly. So you can do this procedure as you said. You can do it as you said, wait, you can do it like this, or you can do it converting miles to meters first and then hours to second. If you do also this procedure, you will notice that in the end, the answer is going to be the same. Do it in the second way and you will notice that it's going to be the same. Oh, indeed, I have this calculator. I don't have the 82 ms. That's the one you have. I couldn't get it like an app, for like a computer app. I couldn't. It's useful. If you want to participate, you can send your answer in the chat.
26.81
81. Okay.
miles.
Okay. 26.81. 6 meters up, seconds down. Okay. What did I say yesterday about rounding? Can we round this number?
Yes.
For rounding, we're going to take a look to the third digit, okay? And we're going to see if it's 5 or more. If it's 5 or more, then yes to the rounding. The rounding must be done. If not, then you don't do rounding, you just write the 81. In this case, do I need to do rounding?
Yes.
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 So it's going to be 81 plus 1, okay? So 82 is going to be that are going to be the two decimal places. Do you notice that the two answers are the same? Do you notice that the two answers are the same?
Yes.
Okay, yes, the two answers are the same. So the plan doesn't really matter, okay? The plan is, you can do it from miles, converting miles to meters and hours to seconds, or you can start with hours to seconds and then miles to meters. But this is a conversion that must be done, okay? From miles to meters, from hours to seconds. Lester, in your case, you sent me mi over second. In this case, this unit is not correct because I represents miles. Okay? So remember this, M is meter and MI is miles. It is different. Okay. Okay. In this conversion, I'm giving you 1.5 grams per liter, and I want you guys to convert to kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? I know that you guys know that in 1 kilogram I have how many grams?
1,000.
1,000 grams. Okay? But I know you don't know this conversion, okay? That in 1 cubic meter you have 1,000 liters. So the conversion for this exercise is going to be very similar. Start from grams, then to liters. Okay? So I'm going to start to convert from liters to cubic meters. Where I have to write the liters? Up or down?
Up.
Liters up. What number is next to liters? From this conversion factor, what number is next to liters?
1,000.
1,000. Okay? So down I'm going to write the rest. That is 1 cubic meter. With this, I get rid of liters, and I get cubic meters. Now, in the next conversion factor, where I need to write the grams, up or down?
Down.
Grams? Grams are up or down?
Down.
Down.
What number is next to grams?
1,000.
And 1 kilogram?